Mrok jotono saimana Tiprasa Accord Joint Group Jai tarik mas 2024 abani agla haina hai je bobagrani koknarakmani moteno tini Delhi o brokni meeting solijugi tongo salni meeting solijaka tini bai ga arani bisingo tabuk no jeta katal kaisa update nongkhri phaimani je bobagra sak baithangno je committee je khlaijaka je proti month ni duita man khlaiयै jagao 6 month session hajaka jagao brokni je joint group jeta khlaijaka jagao jeta leader tongo chini jeta SK Misra je bono chairman tonijaka hangke jagani je bokrok eba leader hangke chini Moharajar Produt Kishore Maniko Deborma bono karibo jagao je demand ok tongo jagao hangke land rights political rights tei economic rights rok tei financial tei Tiprasa rokni manthai rokno tui jaga kok salaina bagi borok tini kok saplai jagui tongkha jeta Bharatni je Rajdhani Delhi wo inga khajana mare kijing song phaidi chini bobagra tamo kok Sakha media ni bisingtui Wngkha jeta Northeast Life ni bisingtui sajakmani je kok tomarok phaidi jing khanalai nahalayana.
It was the first meeting between the government of India, the state government of Tripura and Tiprasa on the historic Tiprasa Accord. There are many things which have been discussed, and we have decided to frame an entire structure so that the genuine concerns of the Tiprasa people who have suffered for 75 years are addressed. Our land rights, our political rights, our economic rights, our constitutional rights, our culture, our language, and many other things have been discussed. And we have officially submitted a memorandum as well. Let me tell you one thing, that today we have not spoken as a political party, we have not spoken as politicians, but we have spoken as indigenous people of Tripura. The most important thing is that we have also agreed, all three parties have agreed, that unlike before, we will meet for discussions and dialogues every 2 months, and the next meeting will be sometime in the month of November. It is very important that we fix and have regular meetings so that there is a early resolution and solution to our genuine demands. There are many things which are happening in Bangladesh, and we have to be very concerned as Tripura being a border state. Our people, our citizens are secure, and our land is secure, our rights are permanent. The government of India's position today, the talks were held in a very positive way. I must admit that I'm pleasantly surprised by the way the state government has also tried to listen to our problems, and they have also appreciated our articulation of where mistakes may have happened from previous governments. The truth is that if we want a vibrant, healthy Northeast, the genuine concerns of the Tiprasa people should be heard, and we are going to pursue on this. There are many things that we have raised. I am not at liberty to discuss them, but as we grow along and as we speak, many resolutions and many solutions will come. The most important thing is that the next generation should have a chance of a better tomorrow. And that can only happen if we are heard and we are respected, and we also understand that this is a test match and not a 2020 match. This is a long fight. This is a long solution. It will require patience. It will require a learned discussion. It will require us to talk rather than fight with each other. Belai no hambai. Thank you.